Welcome to our latest tutorial. Today, we're excited to introduce Smart Admin Assistant by BdThemes, an all-in-one WordPress toolkit that simplifies your dashboard with powerful modules. Replace multiple plugins, streamline workflows, and manage your site smarter, faster, and cleaner. Let's install it and see it in action. To get started, head over to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, hover over the Plugins tab and select Add Plugin. At the top right corner of the page, you'll find a search bar. Type in Smart Admin Assistant, and the plugin by BdThemes will appear in the results. Click Install Now to begin the installation, then click Activate once it's complete. This will take you directly to the Smart Admin Assistant dashboard. At this stage, the installation is nearly finished. Now, let's walk through the modules and see what they have to offer. Inside the Modules section, you'll see a vertical list of tabs including Dashboard, Admin Interface, Login and User, Performance, Security, Component Disabling, Content Management, Custom Code, Utilities, and Additional. Starting with the Dashboard tab, you'll see an overview of total modules, how many are active, and how many are inactive. A search option is below, along with buttons to activate or deactivate all modules at once. You can also enable modules individually as needed. Note that a module must be active before customizing its settings. The Admin Interface module helps you personalize and organize your WordPress backend. Options include Admin Bar Customization, letting you hide the admin bar on both backend and frontend, with the Pro version allowing role-specific hiding. You'll also find Admin Notice Management, Dashboard Customization, and Admin Menu Customization Pro to hide, rename, or reorder menu items. Additional features include list table enhancements, UI and footer customization, and a reset button to restore defaults. The Login and User module gives you control over site access. You can set a custom login URL, restrict login by username or email, and, in Pro, customize the login page with your branding. Pro features also include user tracking to monitor activity and logout redirect to choose where users land after signing out. The Performance module boosts site speed and efficiency. Features include revision control to limit stored revisions and Heartbeat API management to control server communication. Pro users get database optimization to clear unused data, plus caching and loading for faster, smoother performance. Image optimization is coming soon to compress and speed up images. The Security module protects your WordPress site from unauthorized access and vulnerabilities. Its login protection limits failed attempts before blocking an IP with customizable block duration. In the Pro version, CAPTCHA adds extra defense on login and comment forms, stopping bots and spam. Next, you'll find security tools like email obfuscation to hide addresses, security headers to strengthen responses, WordPress hardening to fix loopholes, and IP management for address control. Security monitoring tracks suspicious activity, while password protection is coming soon. The Component Disabling module lets you turn off unused WordPress features. Disable Gutenberg to use the classic editor, manage comments site-wide or by post type, and set rules to auto-close comments on older content. Content management simplifies posts, pages, and media, duplicate content with one click, auto-generate excerpts, and reorder posts in Pro. Media tools let you replace files without changing URLs, upload SVGs, add AVIF support, schedule posts, and control external links. For developers and advanced users, the Custom Code module is especially useful. It lets you add CSS, JavaScript, or PHP directly into your site. In the Pro version, you can also minify CSS and JavaScript files to improve performance. Enable custom code to manage and edit your code snippets. The Utilities module adds handy tools for easier site management. Maintenance mode lets you hide the front end with a custom message during updates, and System Information provides detailed technical data you can copy for support. SMTP setup is coming soon. The additional module adds flexibility with upcoming features like custom avatars. In the Pro version, admins can use role switching, manage image sizes, and access advanced user management for greater control. Beyond the modules, the Support and Tools section offers guides, troubleshooting resources, and a ticket form for requests, issues, or feedback. The Comparison tab makes it easy to see exactly what's included in both the free and Pro versions. That covers all the modules and support options available in the free version. You'll also notice a banner highlighting that Smart Admin Assistant Pro is available. Pro unlocks advanced features, so if you've purchased a license, here's how to install and activate it. From your WordPress dashboard, hover over the Plugins tab and select Add Plugin. At the top, click the Upload Plugin button, then choose the downloaded profile. Click Install Now, and once the process is complete, activate the plugin. You'll now see Smart Admin Assistant Pro in your dashboard. Inside the Smart Admin Assistant dashboard, open the License tab. Enter your email address and license code, then click Activate. That's all it takes. The Pro version is now active, giving you access to every premium feature alongside the free ones. In the License tab, you can check your license status, type, expiration dates for updates and support, and your license key. There's also a deactivate option if you ever need it. Manage WordPress smarter with Smart Admin Assistant. Boost security, speed, and control. Install now to enjoy seamless management and unlock powerful features. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.